Adrian, and today I'm going to be pranking my brother. My brother and I have 2 videos on YouTube of we each scare each other a lot. But today is going to be a very good prank. And I'm going to prank him, and he's going to hold up a bowl of water above his head, and he's going to spill it on himself.
I'm not taking any of the dogs.
Okay, let's go.
You should shoot them out around 9, babe.
Hey, Danny! Danny! Anthony, hold this up for a second.
What?
Hold this up for a second. I'm gonna get Jesse. Just hold this up for a second. Hold this up for a second. Okay. Don't let go.
Right.
Yeah.